Hello friends, so now we want to solve one or two examples on unit step function. In the last video we have defined unit step function. So how we have defined u of t is equal to 0 when t is less than 0 and is equal to 1 when t is greater than or equal to 0. So now I want to take, or sometimes they may ask us to sketch mat2 into u of t minus 9. So it means here u of t minus a is a displaced unit step function. Now in the last video we have discussed about displaced unit step function. So the function value becomes 0 when t is less than a, and function value becomes 1 when t is greater than or equal to a, where a is what? So a is greater than or equal to 0. So we have defined these two definitions in the last video. When you multiply f of t into u of t minus 9, I can replace a by 9. So how I am going to sketch, or what is the meaning of this? So here mat2 is treated as an f of t or a function. Similarly, mat4 is also an function. Matdiff2 is also an function. Or I can say that here mat2 means it is engineering mathematics 2 into u of t minus 9. So what is the meaning of this? So I can define, or I can write down mat2 into t minus 9. This is equal to, so I hope you will get 0 when t is strictly less than 9 am, and you will get mat2 at t is greater than or equal to 9. So for example, I want to conduct a class for engineering mathematics 2 at 9 am. So it means class will start at 9 am onwards. Before 9 am class will be 0. It means I am not going to engage class before 9 am. I am going to engage engineering mathematics 2 at 9 am. So that is the meaning of this function. Now exactly in the similar way we can define, so mat4, it means engineering mathematics 4 into u of t minus 11. This is equal to 0 when t is less than 11 am. And class will start, engineering mathematics 4 will start exactly at 11 am. So that is the meaning of this function. Similarly, matdiff2, that means advanced mathematics 2 class will start. How I am going to define? 0 when t is less than 2 pm. It means before 2 pm I am not going to engage engineering maths or advanced maths 2 class. At 2 pm I am going to engage advanced maths 2 class. That's why I can write down, so matdiff2 when t is greater than or equal to 2. So that is the meaning of mat2 diff or matdiff2 into u of t minus 2. Or in general I can write down like this. So u of t minus 2, this is equal to, so you will get 0 when t is less than 2 pm. So is equal to, you will get a function when t is greater than or equal to 2 in this case, right? In this case, suppose if I replace this by f of t, I will get f of t when t is greater than or equal to 11 am. If I replace this by f of t into u of t minus 9, I can replace this by f of t when t is greater than or equal to 9 am. Okay, so now I want to solve one more similar type of example. Say for example, now I want to on FM radio at time t is equal to 10 am, right? Or I can say that now I want to on television at time t is equal to 12 noon, or I want to use a desktop at time t is equal to 2 p.m. So these two are an analogy. So how I am going to write down these things in the form of mathematics. First I want to write down in the form of a function. Say for example it is denoted by g of t, and this is equal to, so you may get 0. So when t is less than 10 am, so it means when t is less than 10 am, so radio is off, television is off, desktop is also off, right? So at 10 am I can write down FM radio, right? So it means when 10 is less than or equal to t is less than or equal to 12 noon. So it means FM radio will start at 10 am and it will continue up to 12 noon. Okay, next part is FM radio plus television. So both will start from 12 noon to 2 p.m. 12 noon to 2 p.m. Okay, right? So 2 p.m. onwards, FM radio plus television plus computer or a desktop at time t is greater than or equal to 2 p.m. So that is the meaning of this function. So I want to repeat once again. It can be represented by a function g of t when t is less than, t means time is less than 10 am. So all the gadgets are off. At 10 am, so FM radio will start between 10 am to 12 noon. So 12 noon onwards, FM radio is also on, television is also on up to 2 p.m. 2 p.m. onwards, FM radio plus television, computer are also on. Or the same thing can be write down in the form of FM radio into, so u of t minus 10 plus television into u of t minus 12 plus desktop into u of t minus 2 p.m. right? Or you can write down the same thing in the form of a function, how we have write down in case of previous examples. We can write down the same thing, these things in this form. Thank you.